In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invoice customers using QuickBooks. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer seeking to streamline your invoicing process, QuickBooks can make tracking and billing for your products or services a straightforward task. Today, we'll break down the steps you need to take to create a professional invoice efficiently. To begin, once you've logged into your QuickBooks account, you'll want to head to the top left of your screen. Here, you'll notice a button labeled New. Give that a click. This action will open up a menu of options you can choose from, depending on what you need to accomplish within QuickBooks today. For our purpose, we're focusing on invoicing, so you'll want to select Invoice from the list. This will bring up the invoice template where you'll be working from. Now that you have the invoice screen in front of you, it's time to enter the details of your customer. If you've done business with this client before and have already set them up as a customer in QuickBooks, you're in luck. As soon as you select them from your customer list, all their relevant details, such as billing address and contact information, will automatically populate in the necessary fields. This not only saves time, but also ensures accuracy since you're pulling information directly from your database rather than entering it manually every single time. With your customer details now set, it's time to move on to the nitty-gritty, adding the products or services you're billing for. As you scroll down the invoice page, you'll see sections designated for you to enter these details. Be precise and clear when listing each item or service to avoid any confusion for your customer. Add the description, quantity, and the rate per unit or service. QuickBooks will then calculate the amount for you, but make sure the numbers align with your agreement or quote to your client. Double-check these amounts to maintain clear communication and prevent any potential disputes down the line. Once you've thoroughly reviewed the invoice for accuracy and you're satisfied everything looks good, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save and Close option and click it. By doing this, you ensure that all your hard work is recorded in the QuickBooks system, both for your own business records and for future reference should you need to revisit this transaction. And that's it. Your invoice is now logged into your system and you're ready to either print it out or send it electronically to your customer. QuickBooks streamlines the entire invoicing process to help make your financial tasks less of a chore and more of a breeze. By following these steps, you'll not only enhance your business's professionalism, but also give yourself more time to focus on what you do best. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on making the most of QuickBooks.